Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to edit job alerts in LinkedIn. Now before we start, click the link in the description below to get 50% off the highest rated LinkedIn growth course by LinkedIn's top influencer that will teach you how to grow and monetize your LinkedIn account. Now jumping back onto the video, the steps are going to be quite simple. What you're going to do is from the left side or on the top of your screen, you can see we have jobs section. You can head over to that, and once we are here, head over to preferences and you can see job alerts. So basically user interface designer and other, basically this is related to my description, what I am, the services that I am providing, and all of those jobs alerts will be managed by this section. Head over to that and you can see currently we have some settings. So if you simply want to manage your job alerts, click on this pencil icon related to the job, and then you can add your frequency, your notification type, and get notified similar jobs as well. So basically using these we can easily edit job alerts in LinkedIn. And before we get to the end, do not forget to get 50% discount to start growing your LinkedIn account by clicking the link in the description below. So that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you guys around in the next video.